Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll be unboxing Xiaomi's new smartphone, Mi A3. The smartphone comes in grey, blue and white color options. The smartphone comes in 64GB 4GB RAM option and 128GB 6GB RAM configuration. This is Android One smartphone powered by Google's pure Android software, which means it's like a Pixel device with 2 years of guaranteed update from Google. It also means that it will not have any MIUI features. But if you prefer the Xiaomi's MIUI interface, you can buy the same smartphone known as Xiaomi's CC9. The main highlight of this smartphone is the triple camera setup with 48 megapixel main shooter. On the front, it has a 32 megapixel selfie camera, which is truly amazing for the selfie lovers. Also great to see that it has 4050 mAh battery, which supports 18 watt fast charging. It has an in-screen fingerprint display. It has an AMOLED screen with dot drop display. The processor is quite normal. It's Qualcomm 665 with 11 nanometer processor. Now all this you get for a price of 760 which is like 14,500 Indian currency, which is unbelievable. As Xiaomi keeps on bringing one after another amazing smartphones for an outstanding price. I will be unboxing the grey color 64GB 4GB RAM variant. So let's unbox the smartphone and find out more about it. But before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. You get the soft silicone case for protection. Inside the box you get a 10 watt charger, which is quite sad because the phone does support 18 watt fast charging. Also a USB Type-C cable, which is pretty standard in 2019. Regarding the build quality, it is a solid build with glass back and metallic side. You have volume up and down, power button on the right side. On the left, you have the SIM tray. You can use 2 SIM card or 1 SIM and a micro SD card together. On the top, you have 3.5mm headphone jack, which is good. Secondary microphone. And great to see that IR blaster option is given on this smartphone. At the bottom, you have the USB Type-C port, a main microphone and a single speaker. Overall, for this price, I think it has an amazing build quality. It does feel solid in the hand and feels premium. Now let's power on the smartphone for the first time and complete the setup process. Let's finish the in-display fingerprint setup. It took like 15 tries to set up the fingerprint. Setup is finished now and this is the home screen. I must say, because of the AMOLED display, even though the resolution is less, but it still looks decent. It has 6-inch HD Plus display. I would say that it's slightly better than the 720p display, but nothing groundbreaking, as when you look closely you can see some pixelation. But one thing is good about this display is that the colors look great and they pop up nicely. But display is one of the weakest point of this device because Xiaomi has introduced so many 1080p devices for a lesser price. So they could have given a 1080p display on this device also. One more good thing about the display is that it has Gorilla Glass 5 support, so it is quite solid for normal wear and tear. Now let's check the 5th generation fingerprint scanner speed. The in-display fingerprint is a bit slow. There is a delay of few seconds before it unlocks, but still I will say it's a decent for the price. Let's also check the face unlock option. I think the face unlock is faster than the fingerprint scanner. It takes half a second to unlock. Now let's see what software is running out of the box. It's running Android 9. Regarding the software, it will get guaranteed update by Google, and also soon it will get the Android 10 once Google will release it. Out of 64GB of the storage, you get 50GB free and the rest is used for the system and default applications. Now let's talk about one of the main features of this device, the camera. On the rear, it has a 48 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, which is amazing, a 2 megapixel depth camera for the bokeh. It can record 4K 30 frames per second, 1080p 60 and 30 frames per second. There is a EIS enabled on shooting 1080p videos, but not on 4K. On the front, it has a 32 megapixel AI selfie camera. It can record 1080p videos with 30 frames per second. Now, good thing is that it has a camera UI of MIUI, not the Google camera application. So you have all the features of MIUI camera. There is ultra wide angle mode, there's a night mode, plus tons of features. One important thing to note here is that the main 48 megapixel camera is basically just like the Redmi Note 7 Pro camera. In the normal shooting mode, you don't get the default 48 megapixel camera. You have to enable the camera option in the Pro camera mode. So you get the 48 megapixel camera only when you're shooting in Pro camera mode. Let's see some sample images and videos shot by this smartphone. I'm really impressed with the front camera quality of this device. The pictures are sharp with great details and decent contrast. Rear camera is also no slouch but not groundbreaking either. It's pretty decent in good light, but in the low light it struggles. Let's also check the sound quality of this device. The processor in this device is Snapdragon 665 based on the 11nm chipset, which is a mediocre processor, but since it's running Android 1, it should not be a problem. But yes, in terms of gaming, you can play PUBG in medium graphic settings and still expect some frame drops. The grey color is quite impressive and looks stunning. I'm sure the other two colors will look equally good. Now the most important thing is where to buy this device and the price of the device. So the price of this device in UAE is 760 AED, equivalent to 14,1500 Indian currency. Now remember, this is the first stock in Dubai, so the price will go down soon with the next stock. Call the number on the screen to order the device, as this is one of the best shops to buy Xiaomi devices and the stock is available now, and also you get unbelievable prices over here. I'll be making more videos on this device for a detailed camera comparison with iPhone 10 and also tips and tricks, so stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. Also don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like the video. That's all for this video guys. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.